Hi Year 6 and welcome to Homework Answers for Tuesday. So today I will be giving you the answers to page 52, questions 7, 8 and 9. So let's see how we got on. Number 7 then. A bottle contains 568 millilitres of milk. I'm going to underline that, that's important. Jack pours out half a litre. How much milk is left? So I need to know how many millilitres there are in half a litre. So hopefully we knew that that was 500. And so then if I know he's pouring out 500, I'm going to take that away from what the bottle started with. And I can actually do that in my head. 568 take away 500. So you should have got 68 millilitres. For that one, well done if you got that one right. Now we've got a time question. So we know time's a little bit trickier because we're not timing by hundreds and thousands, but we need to know how many seconds there are in a minute, minutes in an hour, hours in a day. So there are how many seconds in an hour? So first of all, I know there are 60 seconds in 1 minute and there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So I need to multiply those together. Okay, 60 seconds in every minute and 60 minutes in every hour. So that's how I'm going to find out how many seconds there are in an hour. Now I can do this again in my head rather than doing a complicated column multiplication by using my times tables. 6 times 6 is 36. Each one is 10 times bigger. So 36, 10 times bigger is 360 and another 10 times bigger is 3,600. I can check that I was right because that is one of them there. If it wasn't one of them, I would have made a mistake somewhere. Then there are something minutes in a day. So how many minutes in an hour? 60. How many hours in a day? 24. Okay, now I'm going to do 24 times 6 and then I'll multiply it by 10 again at the end because it'll be a little bit easier than doing a 2-digit multiplication. So 24 times 6. 4 times 6 is 24. Carry that 2 over. 2 times 6 is 12. Add 2 is 14. Then remember, I wasn't multiplying by 6. I was multiplying by 60. So I want to times this by 10, make it 10 times bigger. 1,440. Again, I can feel confident because the answer I've got is one of the options. Okay, hopefully that was okay for you. And then the last one, number 9. What is 444 minutes in hours and minutes? So I know there's 60 minutes in 1 hour. So I need to know how many 60s I've got. Now I can count up in 60s or I can use my times tables. So I'm going to try and get as close to 444 as I can. Now 60 times 7 is 420. If I know my 6 times table, okay, I know 6 times 7 is 42. Now I'm at 60. So my 60 times table would go 60, 120, 180, and so on. It's 10 times bigger than the 6 times table, just in case you're not sure where I got that 420 from. So I can count up. Then I know 420 is the closest I can get. That's 7 times. 8 times would be 480, and so that's too many. So that's 7 hours, gets me 420 minutes. And then, but I had 444 minutes. So how many minutes have I got left over? 444 take 420, that's 24 minutes. Okay. Hopefully you were okay with those 3 questions. Do let us know if you need anything further explained. For tomorrow, let's continue and finish off those measure problems. So page 53, questions 10, 11 and 12, and come back tomorrow for the answers.